Okay, cool. Well, let's start. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Surya. I'd like to meet you. This guy, fuck. I'd like to meet you, I said. What the fuck? Holy shit. Anyway, let's try that again. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Surya. Great to see you, my brother. How you doing?
Pretty good, man. How are you?
Fantastic, my friend. Let's get straight into it. You've been in the group for what now? This is your third month, I think.
It's actually just been two, I think.
Holy shit! Wow.
Yeah, just
only
two.
2 months. Crazy about that. And listen, we'll go through everything from, I guess, top to bottom, literally when you joined to the point you are at right now. If you could, let's say, rewind the clock to maybe a couple weeks before you joined, where were you before you actually jumped to the group? What was happening in the agency then?
Yeah, so I was initially like in the SMS space. There was a time where it was working pretty solidly. I was signing clients, but beginning of January, like it was bad, like shitty clients. It was just horrible, long story short. And I kept thinking to myself, like, is it a me problem? Am I doing something wrong? Like, because I'm not an idiot, So I was signing clients, I was doing the delivery, everything was working, but like, I don't know, nothing was progressing. I was still at that like 5 to 7K per month. And then, yeah, that's when I kind of like saw your videos online, and then I just decided to hop in.
Yeah, 100%. And I'm pretty sure I remember our call. Like you genuinely just jumped to the call and you said, yes, let's do it. Like it was a very easy conversation. What I guess was behind that? You just literally pulled the trick and you jumped in. Why so quick? Why so simple? Like you were straight up just, yes, Jack, let's do it.
Yeah, I don't know. For me, I think, don't get me wrong, I used to be a pretty big wuss back in the past. I'd be like, oh, I need to think about it. I need to think about it. And I feel like the more and more I did that, I feel like, what am I getting from that? Because here's the thing, worst case scenario, it doesn't work. It is what it is. But then best case scenario, man, this changes my life forever. So that's always the mentality I always had, and I will continue to have. So it was a pretty easy decision for me.
No, that's good, dude. And then that initial support, let's say when you literally just jumped in the first 24, 48 hours, how did that feel? Because people sometimes have mixed emotions. Like you might be a bit like, oh shit, what did I just do? But how did you feel when you jumped in those first kind of couple of days?
No, I was chilling, man, because the thing is, the school, there was so much of information, new information that I didn't even know of. So I was literally on that for like a whole day. And the next day, I think we set up like a one-on-one, literally just to set up my B2B ads. I've never had that before. And yeah, it was pretty smooth, realistically. Yeah.
No, absolutely, brother. That's fantastic. And what's the difference like right now with you running B2B ads is kind of like a main acquisition system? How does that feel in comparison to just running SMS before?
Oh, dude, it's beautiful, man. Like I found a setter. I'm at a point where I'm just taking sales calls, and I'm gonna outsource that to him as well. And it's so much easier, man. Like the thing is, like they say ads is more expensive, but at least I'm seeing results. It kind of takes care of itself. With SMS, it was just like I was spending like I didn't even know you could check the dashboard, because then I actually took the analytics page on like Go High Level. I was spending like $700 a month, $1,000 a month. I was just losing money like easily. So yeah, it's been pretty smooth when it came to acquisition. Like I'm getting like at least a close a day, if not close a day, every other day. So yeah.
Bro, that's insane. A close a day all through the system. Like that's mental. And let's look at like your first month in the group. What do you think if you can remember, what was the revenue you guys hit in the first 30 days?
I think it was like 15 or yeah, I think it was 15 for the first month. The next month, which was last month, was like 20.
20. Perfect.
Thing is, I'll be honest, I could have done so much more. I'm still in freaking college, so it's kind of like,
of course,
I got to do a bit of both, so it's a bit tough. But yeah, I mean, to be fair, it's possible, man. Like, long story short, yeah.
Yeah, and there's actually a lot of people that don't join purely because they are in college. They work a 9 to 5. They do loads of different shit. You didn't have that excuse. You just did it regardless. Like, what do you think your advice to them would be?
It honestly doesn't take a crazy amount of time to even do this. Like, I'll be honest, I'm still doing both. I'm still doing good in college, and business as well. The one thing I will say is this model isn't for everyone. It's not that it's hard to do. It's just that the commitment you have to have. Like, I didn't see results for the past like 8 months, bro. Like 8 months, I was just like dead in the water. And once I actually joined, like, when we started using like the PPSA model, that's when it like completely boomed the hell up. So yeah, I mean, to those people, I'd say if you're genuinely about the online business, and you're actually like, you're committed to your word, you'll print. Like, there's no question about it.
No, definitely, dude. I mean, this is the thing. Like, you can come in and you can have everything there. If you don't do anything with it, like, nothing's gonna fucking happen. You just did it. You just fucking did the work needed. That's why the results are there on the other side. So then let's look at this. What does the next maybe 6 months look like for you in this agency? Have you got plans? Like, what do you want to do with it?
Yeah, I mean, I definitely plan to continue this realistically. So I'm just gonna like probably keep acquiring clients, maybe even hire more people, just honestly just keep it as like a steady business, maybe even, hop into other niches as well. I plan to continue it and just scale it as much as I can and maybe even just possibly sell it like 4 or 5 years down the line. So
Yeah, literally. Because and people don't even really know this. Like, the systems and the way that we build the business is very different to like a traditional SMMA. So you genuinely, in like a few years time, you could sell for between maybe like 3 and 8x your yearly profit. That would be fucking mad.
yeah, and then from there, just hop into other business models as well. So like
you can do anything at that point because you got a decent bit of cash. Like, you can build whatever you need to build. It's fucking sick. Like, let's view this perspective slightly differently. You've obviously done very well in this group. What if you didn't join? Like, what do you think you'd be doing right now? What would that look like?
I'd be in like, I don't even want. I was like talking to my girlfriend, and like I was like, oh my god, thank God I did it, because I'd have been like in college, dude. I'm a computer science major, so like for me, I never wanted to get into the job. That was never for me, and there was a point where I was like, oh, I have to force myself to do it, but I was just like, thank God, because I would have been that, or just keep on doing stupid SMS and just like just wasted money realistically. So
yeah,
and I don't even want to think about it.
Of course, dude, 100%. And I know you've probably been in a few mentorships in the past. Let's look at, like, I guess, key things people often think about, like support, direct support you get from me, message responses, things like that. I mean, how do you think that's been overall?
Yeah, to be fair, even in the mentorships I did join in the past, like everything was solid. But even the thing was, with the difference between this was honestly just the model, man. The model itself and the communication that you had with me. Because, dude, I remember one time, like when I first launched my B2B ads, there was actually a mistake I did. I don't know if you remember, but it was like for Windows, long time back. I made a stupid mistake and I showed it to you. And you're like, dude, fix that up. You'll be chilling. Did that immediate, like everything started working. So I'm like, yeah. So support has been absolutely like perfect, realistically. Anytime I had a question, literally I'd get responses within like an hour or something like that. So
no, 100%, brother. There's also a lot of people, I guess, where, how do I describe it? They think to themselves that I don't need a mentorship. I don't need it. I already know what I'm doing, or I can figure it out myself, which is a fair viewpoint. I think we've all thought that to ourselves previously in the past. What is your advice to that type of person who's thinking those thoughts right now?
Yeah, I'll be honest. Like you said, I mean, I've been there before, but I think there comes to a point where honestly, you just have to pull the trigger, man. Because like, especially like the videos that you put out, I think the main reason I even committed in the first place is the value that you put into the YouTube. Like, and this was genuine advice. It wasn't just like, it's just like, oh, how to set up a campaign, some bullshit like that. It was like genuine advice that I actually took into my business before I even joined the mentorship. So if somebody's providing that sort of value on the internet just for free, just imagine what he'd fucking give for you once he joined. Simple as that.
No, literally, dude. 100%. Good. Well, I think we've covered everything we need to cover in that sense, my friend. Like, what a fucking story. First of all, well done for showing up, doing the work you needed to do. You just put your head down, worked. The results have come on the other side. And now these next 6 months, you just get to keep doing the same and see those results compound over time. So fucking well done to you, my friend. And thank you so much for your time today.
For sure. Thank you, man.
Easy.